Hello, in this example we are going to do long division of whole numbers, and so we have our problem up here, 21,080 divided by 17. Now remember that this number right here, this is called our divisor. Okay, so when we start our division here, the divisor is what goes on the outside, and then what we're dividing goes on the inside. Alright, and now we're gonna start. So first thing we do is we ask ourselves, well, does 17 go into 2? We say no. Does 17 go into 21? And that's a yes. So if you're not exactly sure, well, I know that it goes in at least once, right? Because if you come over here, 17 times 1, that's 17. So I know that it at least goes in once. Well, could it go in twice? Okay, well, let's just check. So what's 17 times 2? Well, 7 times 2 is 14. Carry that 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Well, that's more than 21. So it's not going to go in twice. It will go in once. So now we do 1 times 17, and that's 17. And we will subtract. So 21 minus 17 is 4. So now our next step is to bring down the 0, and we start the whole process over again. Okay, so what is, or does 17 goes into 40 how many times? Well, let's see. Let's try 2. Again, you get good at these after practice, so I know to start at 2. But you can start wherever you want and then just try to find out how many times. So 17, we already did this one. That's 34. Okay, that's definitely less than 40. Okay, so let's try 17 times 3. So that's 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Well, that's bigger than 40. So I know that 17 will go into 40 twice. And then we do 2 times 17, that's 34. And we'll subtract. So 40 minus 34 is 6. Bring down this 8 here. And we'll start again. So 17 goes into 68. Well, I know that it will go in at least 3 times. Let's see if it can go in 4 times. Okay, so 17 times 4. Alright, so that's 7 times 4, that's 28. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Alright, so it goes in exactly 4 times. So we'll put a 4 here. Now 4 times 17, that's 68. Okay, we subtract again, and we keep doing this until we run out. So we have a 0 here, but remember, we still have one more digit. So let's bring all that down. Alright, this is a little bit of a special case, I guess. Okay, so 17 goes into 0. How many times? Well, it's exactly 0. So then 0 times 17 is 0. And we would subtract, well, 0 minus 0, that's 0. Now the best thing that can happen to us is that we get a 0 down here and we run out of decimals, right? There's no more decimals over here. So it means we're done. Okay, and so then what is 21,080 divided by 17? It is 1,240. You can put this comma here if you want. It's not necessary, but there you go.